This is Jalen. He is playing video games and eating cookies late at night. He knows it's wrong, but he still does it. This is Jalen the next day. He's about to have a terrible morning. He is one of 85% of teens who get less than the recommended 8 to 10 hours of sleep a day. Jalen is at risk of stress, weight gain, depression, and more. He has trouble staying awake in class, and he has one question on his mind, which is, how can I get more sleep? Well, you could avoid big meals and caffeine a few hours before bedtime. Eating can cause stomach discomfort, and caffeine makes you feel less tired. Finish your work early so that you do not stay up late. Stick to a sleep schedule, even on the weekends. This helps to regulate your body's clock so that you will get better sleep. Turn off all electronics an hour before bedtime. Looking at screens strain your eyes and make it harder to fall asleep. Lastly, sleep in a cool, quiet, and dark environment. Look at him now. He feels great. He has a much better appearance, mood, and ability to focus. Live with ease and catch more Z's. This is Jalen Rose Condes from Kalani High School for HIKI.